Today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on any laptop or PC in 2025 using the built-in Windows snipping tool. No apps, no downloads, just the fastest method. Just go to search menu and type snipping tool and this application will open up. And as you can see, press window logo key plus shift plus yes to start your snip. Just press the keys and this window will show you, and select this drop down over here and you will see four options. Rectangle, select a custom area. Freeform, draw your own shape. Window, capture just one window. Full screen, just capture whole screen. I show you guys testing this. First I selected the rectangle. Drag your mouse and it shows rectangle shape. Just point the rectangle where you want to capture. Same thing, window, select the window that you want to capture. Now full screen, select the full screen and it's going to be capture whole screen. And the last one, free form, just draw the area you want to capture. I'm going to draw a circle in center, and now it's all going to save in this location, guys. So open up file explorer and go to pictures and open this screenshots folder. As you can see, the files are here. The first screenshot is rectangle, and second one is window mode, and third one full screen, and the fourth one is free form. That's how you can take a screenshot on any laptop or PC in 2025 using snipping tool. Quick, simple, and build right into Windows. So if you want more PC tips, make sure to check out the next video.